Hey everybody, this is Austin. I am really having a lot of fun vacationing with my family in Michigan. Right now we're a bit south of Grand Haven, Michigan in the Rosy Mound Natural Area. Don't know how much historical or geocaching we'll be doing, but come along with us as we go on this fun nature outside adventure. Beautiful sand dune kind of area. Nice trail we'll be going down soon. And yes, you would have guessed, I happened to find a historical marker. Check it out. Jean Lag Carroll Trail. This trail to Lake Michigan is named in recognition of Jean's extraordinary contributions to Ottawa County Parks. Jean was instrumental in the creation of the Parks Commission. She served as the Commission's president from 1987 to 1992, played a key role in the acquisition of the Rosy Mound Natural Area right here, and made a significant gift of land to the park system. Well, I have just been really enjoying this walk. Beautiful weather, beautiful day out here at Rosy Mound Natural Area. It's a really cool sign. Let me show it to you. Beautiful trail here. It's talking about how Rosy Mound is a very special place. You are looking at a Great Lakes dune. As you can see, not all dunes are open areas and bare sand. These dunes have changed many times over thousands of years. Great Lakes dunes, a fragile and unique ecosystem. Sand dunes are found throughout the world. Great Lakes sand dunes, like Rosy Mound, are concentrated primarily along the eastern shoreline of Lake Michigan. This special type of sand dune is found nowhere else on Earth. Believe it or not, this mature forest was once an open sand dune. It's really neat to be out in nature, learn about biology and ecology, and I'm having a great time out here. I hope you are enjoying watching this video too. Well, after climbing what seems to be 1,001 stairs, beautiful view out here, came onto more of a level trail. See, beautiful Michigan forest day. Just got another cool biological, ecological marker talking about back duned forest. It's shade, shelter, and protection. It is currently believed that the Great Lakes dunes formed along Lake Michigan shoreline in the last 4,000 years during periods of high water levels. This beech maple hemlock forest is the oldest and final stage of succession in Great Lakes dunes. It is home to the greatest diversity of plants and animals in the dunes. You guessed it, folks, more stairs. We're gonna be climbing up that. Yep. So right there, folks, are some of the stairs that we just came down from. And right here is the object of our walk, of our hike. Check this out, folks. Lake Michigan itself. Yippee! Check that out if I can. Kind of see a little bit of blue there. Oh yeah, folks. Oh yeah. Beautiful day. Beautiful park. Beautiful Lake Michigan. Really neat view here. And I will be going down there shortly, but check this out. First, it was suspected there is another marker I will read to you. It talks about parabolic dunes, sand in motion. Parabolic dunes are U-shaped dunes. Parts of this parabolic dune have become stabilized by specially adapted dune plants. Other areas, called blowouts, remain with actively moving sand. Let's continue on down to Lake Michigan itself. Well, after ascending and descending about 2,001 stairs each, we have now gotten a bit closer to the beach, which is nice. Waymark 4 right there, I guess. And check out another, not historical marker, but I guess you could say biological marker. Let's see what this says. Dune formation, recipe for a sand dune. Wind, water, a constant source of sand, and dune adapted plants are the required ingredients to begin the process of dune formation. Moraine grass is specifically adapted to dune life. As you walk through the dunes, see if you can find plants with these other adaptations. That's pretty cool stuff. Let's head out to the beach now. There it is, folks. Check it out in all its beauty. Lake Michigan itself. Coolness, awesomeness. Well, I think this about wraps up my video out here at the Rosy Mound Natural Area. I hope you really enjoyed learning about the biology and ecology out here. Until next time, thanks for watching.